Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Lotus Lantern app on Android step by step so you can fully control your LED lights with ease. So let's get started. First, you want to open your Lotus Lantern app on your phone. Then from here, you want to tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the device list. And from here, you want to make sure your LED strip or lightning controller is powered on and within Bluetooth range. When your device appears on this list, tap it and wait for the app to connect. As you can see, mine is already connected. Now, once connected, head over to the adjust section, this very first one. Here you can use the color wheel to choose any color you like. Adjust the brightness if you're using a white or a monochrome strip. Change the color temperature from warm to cool. Next, we have here the style section. This is where you can select lighting effects like flashing, fading, gradients, and transitions. You can also control the speed of the effect and the overall brightness. Just scroll through the modes and fine-tune them to your liking. Now, let's look at the extra features. In the music mode, your lights sync with the music playing on your phone, while the mic mode uses your phone's microphone to so the lights react to surrounding sounds. And lastly, the schedule section. From here, you can set timers to automatically turn your lights on or off on specific days and times. And basically, that's it. That's basically everything you need to know how to use the Lotus Lantern app on Android. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!